In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to fix the Notion app not opening or showing a blank screen. If Notion won't open properly or you're only seeing a blank window, a quick first fix is to refresh your graphics driver, because display issues can sometimes prevent apps from rendering correctly on screen. To do that, make sure you're on your Windows desktop or anywhere on your PC, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Windows key plus B at the same time. This keyboard shortcut tells Windows to reset the graphics driver without restarting your computer. When you press it correctly, your screen will briefly blink and you may hear a short beep. That's normal. It means Windows has refreshed the display system. Once that's done, wait a few seconds, then try opening Notion again. In many cases, the app should now load normally instead of staying blank. If Notion still doesn't respond right away, give your PC a moment, then close and reopen the app. You can also restart your computer and try again afterward, since that helps clear anything temporarily stuck in memory. One common mistake here is not pressing all 4 keys together. Make sure you're using Ctrl, Shift, the Windows key, and B at the same time. If nothing happens, try again a little more carefully, and that's how you fix the Notion app not opening or blank screen issue. Thanks for watching.